It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hello everybody, my name is Simone. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a DIY video on a lip scrub and a body scrub. It is super simple, so keep watching to find out. So first things first are the materials. Today I have white sugar, just domino sugar, and then I have some normal brown sugar. I'm also using 2 glass bowls, one for the lip scrub and one for the body scrub, and then 2 plastic containers to hold them in. You can use glass or plastic, it doesn't really matter. I also have some food coloring in order to make them playful colors. And then I have some scents that I got from Amazon. They smell really good. I also have coconut oil that I'll be using. Olive oil, extra virgin is what I have, but it doesn't really matter. And I also have some black castor oil. And then of course 2 spoons to mix and dish out everything in. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to make is the lip scrub. And I'm using the white sugar for this, and I'm going to use the brown sugar for the body scrub. So I just took 2.5 spoons of white sugar and put it into the first glass container. You're going to see a bit later that I didn't have as much as I wanted to fill up the container, so I kind of doubled it. So after the sugar, I'm just going to put in some coconut oil and mix it up. I'm going to just keep adding the coconut oil until I get the consistency that I want. You should be able to see what the consistency is. It's really up to you, but I wanted a bit more, maybe sand-like instead of as wet as I see some other scrubs, but I wanted it kind of grainy still and not as wet. So I didn't do too much coconut oil, but like just enough. So that is the consistency that I wanted it. So now that I have it how I want it, I'm going to add the scented and flavoring oil. This one is Strawberry-Kiwi. It smells so good. And a little goes a long way, but it's really up to your discretion how much you want, because some people can smell it more than others, I guess. But for me, I just added maybe like 4 drops, I think. And then I'm only going to use 2 drops of the red food dye, because I don't want it like deep red. I want it like a playful, like salmonish pink color, like a bright pink. It's really cute. And I'm just going to mix it together until you can see it. It's the color that I want. So yeah. And that is all there is to the lip scrub. As you can see, it's really simple, like 2 ingredients besides the food dye and the scent, which is optional. So yeah, I'm just going to place it into the container that I'm gonna keep it in for the time being. And the container didn't fill up all the way, so as I said earlier, I'm just gonna double the recipe. Like, just gonna do the exact same thing that I did before and then put it in the container so it can be filled up, so I can have like it in bulk, I guess. about done with this one, and as you can see, I did the same thing as before, just with the coconut oil and 2 scoops of the sugar, and I'm just going to add it to the first batch that I made, and we are done with this lip scrub. And it makes your lips really smooth, of course, as most lip scrubs do. I actually prefer sugar lip scrubs because sometimes when they get in your mouth, it tastes better than the salt ones. And this food scent and dye is edible, so it's okay if it gets in your mouth. And the food dye that's in it, it will not stain your lips, so it's perfectly fine. So now we are moving into the body scrub. And for this one, I'm going to be using brown sugar. I'm putting in about 3 scoops of it. I believe that'll be enough. And then just because, I'm adding a scoop of white sugar too. I'm going to be using the 3 different oils for this one. So the first is coconut oil. I'm only putting in 1 spoon of that. And then the extra virgin olive oil. And then the third oil is the black castor oil. I love black castor oil, especially for your hair. It really helps it. And then after the oil, I'm just going to mix it around and see how the consistency is then. Again, it's up to your discretion how you want the consistency to be. I like my scrubs a bit more sand-like, with a bit less moisture in them, because I like the I like to feel it actually like scrubbing my skin. I'm just gonna add a bit more sugar because it was a tad bit wet for me, and I just want it, like I said, more sand-like. So I'm just gonna mix it around, and I think this is good right here. I keep making a mess, sorry. You might want to lay out like a cloth or newspaper if you don't want to mess up your counter. I did not do that, so I just have a lot of wiping down to do later. Now I'm adding the scent, and I accidentally just poured a buttload into there. So, and that was the pineapple one, and this one is the coconut. It was supposed to be Pina Colada scented, but now it's kind of just like really pineapple-y. But I mean, it smells amazing, but it's really not what I wanted. And again, I'm only adding 2 drops of the green food dye because I don't want it like an obnoxious green, just like a cute bright green, you know? And I'm just going to mix it around till the color is even throughout the whole scrub. Yep. So the scrub is now finished. The consistency is really nice how I wanted it. And again, the same with the other lip scrub. The dye does not stain your skin. It comes right off. It's not, I don't think I put a whole bunch of dye in it, so it's not going to turn your skin green when you put it on or scrub yourself. So now I'm just going to transfer it into the holding container for me to use it when I shower later on and whenever I want to exfoliate. So yep, there you go, super easy body exfoliator. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video for my DIY lip scrub and body exfoliator. Stay tuned for more DIY projects. I think I'm going to try a lip gloss soon and see how that turns out, and maybe some lip oils and some soap next. So subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and thanks for watching.